Hi, salty friends. This is Heather with Salt on the Rocks. Today I want to talk about oxidative stress and disease and what Protandim is and how it can address many of these issues related to oxidative stress and disease. So let's go back to 9th grade biology for just a second. Remember, we all colored and labeled a cell with a cell membrane, a mitochondria, and a nucleus. So in easy terms, the nucleus is the command center of the cell. It tells the cell to do everything. The mitochondria is the engine and creates all of energy through the process ATP, or the Krebs cycle. So when we're born, we have a high number of antioxidants and a low number of free radicals. Free radicals are the cell destroyers. These come from our mother, they're genetic. But as soon as we're born, we start to breathe oxygen. And the mitochondria actually uses oxygen to make energy for the cell. And the byproduct of this process is free radicals, or those cell destroyers. So as we age, our antioxidants levels go down and our free radical levels go up. Because the mitochondria are really busy creating all this energy and the byproducts of free radicals significantly increases, these free radicals attach themselves all over the cell, to the cell membrane, to the nucleus, to the mitochondria, and this actually injures the cell. The body's response to injury is to send pro-inflammatory molecules, and this creates scars. Scars then replace the cells, cells replace organs. Too many scarred cells creates disease. This is the start of all disease processes. So excess production of free radicals over the cell's ability to neutralize them with antioxidants is called oxidative stress. So the beginning of all disease is oxidative stress. Now, there's a protein in the cell, and we'll call it NRF2. It's actually anchored inside the cell. Its job is to send messages to the nucleus about the status of the free radicals in the cell. Because it's anchored, it can't actually send this message immediately. So over time, more and more free radicals accumulate. So when this protein's message finally arrives to the nucleus is triggered to create those life-saving enzymes and antioxidants and turn on this production, which fight off free radicals. Typically, your cell can make millions of these antioxidants per second. There are no foods of any kind that actually can do this, not at the volume necessary. But since this message is anchored, then our NRF2 protein is anchored, that message is late going to the nucleus, so production is behind. This is why we have more free radicals than we do antioxidants. So what do? We can support our bodies to function properly and slow this entire process with a new product called Protandim. Protandim is actually a specifically blended ratio of 5 different herbs: milk thistle, bacopa, ashwagandha, green tea, and turmeric. We've all heard of these. But it's at a pharmacologically low dose that is synergistically 18 times more effective than the sum of each of these herbs individually. So how does it work? Remember that protein, the NRF2, that's anchored in the cell? Well, Protandim actually activates the release of that protein so that the messages can be sent to the nucleus immediately, releasing millions and millions of antioxidants per second. Now, the other piece to Protandim is NRF1. This actually activates the mitochondria. Remember, it gets damaged by all those free radicals. By activating this NRF1 protein, we can regulate the repair of the mitochondria. This allows the mitochondria to work more efficiently and create more mitochondria within the cell. This creates more energy in the cell and works more efficiently. However, remember, you have to use them both together because mitochondria produces free radicals. So the synergy between NRF1 and NRF2 with Protandim is the perfect balance to create a healthier and more efficient cell. So when your cells are healthy, you slow the disease process, you slow the oxidative stress process, you slow the aging process, and this allows your body to do what it's designed to do, which is heal itself. The wonderful part is that anything that breathes oxygen can benefit from Protandim, and there's literally no contraindications of any type. Doesn't matter what medications you're already taking. Remember, this is a pharmacologically low dose and specifically blend of herbs to work synergistically together. Now, we're going to have Protandim available in the Remedy Room soon, and you'll be able to order it online soon as well. So make sure you follow us and keep checking back. Have a great day.